Hello, nice to meet you, Mojo.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm doing quite well.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. So, let me hear from you about Xeikon's massive stand over here with a lot of technologies. Take me through this journey very quickly, please.
Absolutely, my pleasure. So what we have here, Ben, is our first press, our first new development that we are showing here at Drupa, which is our Titan machine. So it's called the TX500. And what is new about this technology is that it combines the best of both worlds, dry toner and UV inkjet. So it has the properties of UV inkjet, which means it's extremely resistant to chemicals, to high temperatures, to mechanical resistance as well, and mechanical friction. But on the other hand, it is still food safe. It is dry toner, it is not liquid, it doesn't have any odor, VOCs, etc. And why are we using this, or why have we developed this press? Predominantly for the paper-based flexible packaging. So if I can give you an example here, so we can use a single or a monolayer material, so the paper-based flexible packaging for foodstuffs, and it also allows us not only to use a monolayer, but also no varnish is required, and we can even heat seal these pouches without any decoloration or any toner sticking onto the edges. So that is actually that's why it combines the best of both worlds. We took this a step further, and we actually developed or co-developed with Kurz, the German company, a metallization module. And what do we do, or how does it work? Well, first of all, we have, as you know, every Xeikon press has 5 colors on each side. So this is a simplex machine with 5 colors. The CMYK are being printed with the ultra durable toner. And with the 5th color, we print everything which needs to be metallized, let's say. So it works like this. We print CMYK, 5th color. We heat up the toner. The CMYK stays untouched. The 5th color becomes sticky and acts like a glue and takes up the foil, and then you can have fully digitally one pass metallization, and you have beautiful effects. This is targeted not only in the paper-based flexible packaging, but also in self-adhesive labels, and we even have an implementation already in wall coverings, but there's also possibilities in book cover production, etc. So it's really something very new that we are now showing here.
So this is TX500?
The TX500 running on Titan toner, so a very specific toner that we developed.
Brilliant.
All right, let's go to the
next area. Yeah. Okay.
No. So this next, we'll go to the other side. So the next one up, Ben, is the LX3000, or how we call it our Lion. And this is the first, it's a narrow web press, single pass, focusing on the self-adhesive label market. And why is it special? Because first of all, it's not only our fastest machine that we've brought to the market so far, running at 42 meters per minute, but it also runs on a very new eco toner. An eco toner that is 100% vegan, fluorine-free, PFAS-free, and contains more than 60% of recycled PET. So that's why it's a very economical press, very fast, and with a very low carbon footprint. And talking about carbon footprint, let me quickly show you our sustainability scorecards. Everybody talks about sustainability, and what we would like to do is to give our customers a clear insight in the performance of the press, sustainability performance. And what we do is we have a number of parameters that we talk about. The press runs at a certain speed, prints at a certain width, prints a certain coverage, and then we can perfectly map the energy consumption. How is it in terms of colorant to toner or ink layer, and also what is the waste being generated while operating the press. And these 3 components, we measure them, we convert them to grams of CO2 per square meter produced, and they actually form this number. So when you run, in this case 65% coverage on the LX3000, you will have a carbon footprint of 17.5 grams of CO2 per square meter. And the last part of the sustainability scorecard actually shows you all the substances that are, in this case, not included in the press, all the compliancy with all regulations and certifications, and lastly, in terms of emissions and outputs, it also gives you a clear view on the performance of this technology. And this is something that we hope, in terms of transparency, in terms of providing information, will allow our customers to have a clear view on their operation when running a Xeikon machine. And we have that for every machine on the booth. And now I will take you to the last one, Ben. Hello, bonjour Alain. This is our latest development, and it's actually the first time that we show it in the world. We call it our world premiere. It is the new version of the Panther. We call it the PX3300 HD. Single pass narrow web UV inkjet, CNY capeless write, running at 70 meters per minute, even including the white. And why is it special? Because we integrated a totally new print head, the Xerox print head W series, and it's a full native 1200 dpi print resolution. Together with new UV LED inks that we have developed, this is really a very sustainable, fast machine delivering high quality for durable self-adhesive label applications. And this we're very proud because it's the first time that we show it, and it runs beautifully, and we hope it attracts a lot of attention.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Dimitri, for your wonderful journey. All these three machines look fascinating. I wish you all the best, and for the Middle East and Africa region, we hope that you're successful with some installations in that region.
Thank you for dropping by, Ben. It's a pleasure. Thank you.